following areas in New Jersey, Middlesex, Western Monmouth and Eastern Monmouth. Coastal flood advisory in effect from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. this evening. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a coastal flood advisory, which is in effect from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. this evening. Location: along the Atlantic Ocean of northern New Jersey and Raritan Bay. This includes the back bays and inlets. Coastal flooding, minor tidal flooding expected. Timing: high tides of the ocean and Raritan Bay will occur between 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. High tides in the back bays will occur later. Impacts: areas prone to minor tidal flooding will see minor flooding. A coastal flood advisory indicates that minor tidal flooding is anticipated. Minor tidal flooding often results in some roads closures. Usually, the most vulnerable roadways will flood. Do not leave your vehicle at a location that is prone to tidal flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flood waters. The water may be deeper than you think it is. You will be putting yourself in danger, and your vehicle may be damaged, leading to costly repair. For a list of the impact of different tide heights in your county, please go to www.weather.gov/phi/tides.htm, all in lowercase. For the following areas in Connecticut, southern Fairfield and southern New Haven, and the following areas in New York, southern Westchester, Bronx, northwest Suffolk, northern Queens and northern Nassau. Locations: coast of western Long Island Sound. Tidal departures around half a foot above normal will bring tidal levels to near minor flooding benchmarks. Timing: around high tide tonight, between 10 p.m. and 1 a.m. Impacts: